Do you feel like your creativity still has value? When AI can generate everything in seconds, and apparently even better. The forest you are seeing actually exists. I don't use AI, but I could. And probably you wouldn't even notice. So when nothing feels real anymore, what is the value of something human? Maybe we are not actually afraid of losing our jobs. What we really fear is becoming meaningless, obsolete, replaceable. When everything becomes digital, what is deeply human still worth? There was a time when a beautiful sentence written on a paper felt valuable. People wrote poems to each other, and sometimes they truly meant something. But in the age of AI, it's becoming harder to feel impressed. AI creates so much content that nothing feels rare anymore. And even when it entertains us, it often leaves us feeling numb. What happens to us if we become more and more passive? When AI is doing our job, do we lose touch with what's human? This could also be the moment where we begin to rediscover what is natural. The era of AI we are entering doesn't necessarily erase human creativity. It could even reveal its true value. Anyone can generate a melody. But when you truly play an instrument with your breath, with your effort, with something real inside you, the melody carries a story. Why does human work take time? Why does a natural forest take decades or even centuries to grow? Because the process is not a flaw that technology is meant to fix. It's what makes the difference between existing and truly living. What really matters can only be lived. The path is not something to escape, because along the way, we love, we cry, we change. And something in us is shaped in a way that cannot be generated instantly. Nature, in every moment, experiences everything: joy, struggle, endurance, relief. And there is no final point to reach, because nothing here is generated. Growth is happening everywhere. And you are part of that process. Life keeps flowing. And while technology can be a powerful tool, what truly matters unfolds slowly. It lives in your effort, in your struggle, and in the impact you have on other lives that can feel. The process you live through with what you create has always been the value.